Alright, Washington Middle School, here we go. Today we are going to find the surface area using a net. So, surface area, the area of the outside of our 3D image. A net, what does that mean? Yeah, that's right. An image is going to show the covering of that 3D image, or that polyhedra. So, let's get to it together. What kind of image do we have here? That's right, we have a triangular prism. What would the surface area, what would the net of the triangular prism look like? Alright, here we are. We've got a net of our triangular prism. And we see we have 5 units on this distance right here, 5 units here, 5 units on the other side, so this would be 5 units on the other side, so that those are both the same. The base is 3 units, and this length is 7 units. And the triangle has a height of 4 units. How can we find the surface area of the image? Using our net. Well, what we need to do is we need to find the surface area of each of the sections of this, and then add them all together. So where do you want to start? Okay, let's start here. How do we find the surface of this rectangle? Yeah, it is 5 units by 7 units, and we know that 5 times 7 is 35. So we're going to get 35 units squared, because it is a unit times a unit, not a cubic unit as in the volume, but it is just the area of this side. What is this one? Yeah, it's the same thing, right? We've got 5 times 7 is 35. And how about this area right here? 3 times 7, we get 21 here. 21 units squared. How do we find the area of the triangle at the bottom and the top? Well, we're just going to have half of the base times the height. So we are going to say that area equals 1/2 of the base times the height. The base is 3, the height is 4. So 3 times 4 is 12, and half of that is 6. So we're going to get 6. But we have 2 of them here. So ultimately, it's not actually half. We just have 6 units here and 6 units here. That actually becomes one whole parallelogram. So we get 6, 6 here, and 6 here. How do we find the surface area of the entire thing? Now we're just going to add it up. So we're going to say 6 plus 6. I'm just going to circle them as I get them. Plus 21 plus 35 and plus 35. Is that every area that we have here? Yeah, that covers it all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. So we can just add all that together. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, plus 5 plus 5, which is 10. So we get 23. And we get 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10. 103. So the surface area is 103 units squared. Because again, it is area, not volume. It is just covering this area. Alright, get to it on Canvas, and we'll get back together on your next video.